The Secret Wealth Machine of the New Rich is a book by David Bach that teaches readers how to build wealth through investing. The book argues that the old rules of wealth creation are no longer effective and shares a new set of rules with readers. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the Secret Wealth Machine of the New Rich. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. One of the key rules that Bach emphasizes is the importance of investing in yourself. He argues that the best investment you can make is in your own education and skills. Bach also encourages readers to start their own businesses or become entrepreneurs. Another key rule that Bach discusses is the importance of living below your means. He argues that it is important to spend less than you earn so that you can save money for investing. Bach also encourages readers to pay off their debt as quickly as possible. Bach concludes the book by discussing the importance of giving back. He argues that it is important to share your wealth with others, and he provides tips on how to do this. The Secret Wealth Machine of the New Rich is a comprehensive guide to wealth creation. Bach provides readers with a step-by-step plan for building wealth, and he shares his own personal experiences as a successful investor. The book is a must-read for anyone who is serious about building wealth. The Secret Wealth Machine of the New Rich is a valuable resource for anyone who is looking to build wealth. The book is well-written and easy to understand, and it provides readers with a wealth of information and advice. In the digital age, the internet has emerged as a pivotal force in redefining wealth creation, offering unparalleled opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors, revolutionizing how we do business, invest, and grow our brands. This blog post explores how the digital world has become a powerful tool for generating wealth, transforming traditional business models, and creating new avenues for income and growth. From e-commerce revolutions to the impact of digital marketing, we delve into the mechanisms that have made the internet an indispensable asset for the financially savvy and ambitious. The internet has become a pivotal wealth creation tool for the new rich in several ways. Number 1. Global reach and market access. The internet breaks down geographical barriers, allowing businesses and individuals to reach a global audience. This expanded market access is crucial for scaling businesses rapidly. Number 2. E-commerce and online businesses. Platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy have made starting and running an online business more accessible. This has opened up opportunities for entrepreneurs to sell products and services to a vast online customer base. Number 3. Digital marketing and advertising. The internet's advertising platforms, like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, enable precise targeting and analytics, making marketing more efficient. The key for businesses is to reach the right audience effectively. This has never been easier than with the internet. Number 4. Stock trading and investment opportunities. The internet has revolutionized trading. It provides real-time data, online trading platforms, and access to global markets, making investing and managing risks easier for individuals. Number 5. Content creation and monetization. Bloggers, YouTubers, and podcasters can generate substantial income through content creation. The internet allows for various monetization strategies like advertising, sponsorships, and subscription models. Number 6. Educational resources and online learning. The wealth of educational material online, courses, webinars, articles, enables continuous learning and skill development, essential for staying competitive in today's market. Number 7. Networking and collaboration. Social media and professional networks like LinkedIn facilitate connections and collaborations that can lead to business opportunities and growth. Number 8. Automation and efficiency tools. Online tools and software help automate business processes, increasing efficiency and reducing costs, which is crucial for profitability. Online tools and software can help businesses automate a variety of processes, from customer service to inventory management. This automation can lead to increased efficiency and reduced costs, which is crucial for profitability. For example, a customer service chatbot can help businesses answer customer questions and resolve issues 24/7 without the need for a human agent. This can save businesses time and money, and it can also improve customer satisfaction. The internet serves as a secret wealth machine by offering unprecedented opportunities for business growth, market access, investment, and networking, all of which are critical components in the wealth-building strategies of the new rich. Most of the biggest businesses of the 21st century are at their core internet businesses like Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. Unleashing global markets, the internet's reach. The internet has demolished geographical barriers, allowing businesses to access global markets efficiently. Companies like Airbnb and Alibaba started as local ventures but quickly scaled to international fame thanks to the internet's expansive reach. This means a vast audience and diverse market opportunities for entrepreneurs to turn local businesses into global phenomena. E-commerce evolution, your gateway to online business success. E-commerce platforms have been pivotal in shaping the new age of entrepreneurship. Platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy offer user-friendly interfaces for setting up online stores, global customer reach with minimal overhead, diverse niches catering to unique products and services. Success stories abound, from solo entrepreneurs to large enterprises, all thriving through e-commerce. Mastering digital marketing, the new age of advertising. Digital marketing has become the backbone of modern business strategy. It encompasses search engine optimization, SEO, for organic reach, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising for targeted campaigns, social media marketing for brand engagement. Businesses leveraging these strategies have seen exponential growth, with digital marketing providing a cost-effective way to reach a tailored audience. The revolution in trading, how the internet changes the game. For traders and investors, the internet has been a game changer. Online trading platforms offer real-time data and access to global markets. As a stock trader, I've witnessed firsthand how the internet facilitates fast and informed decision-making and risk management, making it an indispensable tool for modern investing. Commission costs have also dropped as online brokers worked at scale to bring down client costs. Technical charts are also now available at the click of the mouse, which was mostly hand-drawn or mailed weekly in the 20th century. Content creation, monetizing your passion online. Advertising revenue from blog traffic or YouTube views. Sponsorships from brands aligning with your content. Subscription models for exclusive content. Creators from all walks of life earn substantial incomes thanks to the internet's vast audience. Leveraging online learning for continuous growth. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer coding and digital marketing courses. This accessibility to knowledge fuels entrepreneurial growth, allowing individuals to acquire new skills and stay ahead in a competitive market. Networking in the digital era, building valuable connections. Opportunities to connect with industry leaders. Platforms to share expertise and build a professional brand. Channels to discover and pursue business opportunities. Effective online networking can lead to partnerships, mentorships, and growth opportunities. Embracing automation, enhancing efficiency and profitability. Automation tools have transformed business operations, making them more efficient and cost-effective. Zapier, Asana, and QuickBooks automate repetitive tasks, streamline project management, and improve financial tracking. This efficiency directly contributes to profitability and scalable business growth. The digital era has ushered in a transformative wave, redefining the pathways to wealth and success. The vast and dynamic internet is a beacon of opportunity, inviting innovative minds to explore, create, and prosper. It's a realm where boundaries blur, knowledge is power, and connectivity is the currency. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.